Hi guys, this is Remy. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome and thank you so much to my current subscribers. I post twice a week on here, Tuesdays and Fridays. On Fridays is all hair videos and on Tuesday lifestyle videos. Guys, excuse my voice. I lost my voice and I am now starting to get it back. It's a little bit deep, but it's fine, okay? But guys, as you know, I've been on this journey trying to move out of my current apartment and looking for a new apartment in New York, and that hasn't been so easy. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, click on the subscribe button right now and the bell notification for whenever I post a video, you could be notified. All right, so let's get to this video. So this is a two-bedroom unit located on the sixth floor with no elevator, okay? Once you walk in, there's a coat closet. It's extremely tiny. Um, I guess it's fine, but this building is a rundown building, okay? Once we enter the building, we were like, oh, heck to the no. But online, it looked really good. Look at the fridge. The fridge is just like, are you serious? Like, are you serious? And guys, I want you to guess down in the comment section below how much you think that they are asking for this apartment. I really thought this apartment has a separate living room and kitchen the way that they posted the picture online. But I don't know why it looks so big on camera, but it's a tiny kitchen and living room combined. I don't even know how would you like put anything that just maybe like a two-seated couch and all greasy, all nasty. It's just like wow. But other than that, it wasn't really that small. The rooms are a good size. That room was maybe a queen size bed will fit in there, and the closet size was nice. Look at that, two windows. Oh, let me tell you guys, the sunlight that was coming through, the sun, that apartment gets amazing sunlight. Okay, I did not even need to turn on the light, as you will see. Okay, but sixth floor, no elevator, and in the kitchen, and it just a heck to the no for me. All right, but guys, I'm gonna let you watch this and then just like enjoy it for yourself, and let me know in the comment section below how much you think they are asking for this. But the next unit, beautiful. I regret that unit for my friend because she was the one that we went to look at it for her. Okay, but the second room, oh my gosh, it's a big room. It's a big room. But enjoy, guys. This may be my last video. I'm for sure this will be my last video about apartment, because right now I am so tired and I just want to take a break until I find my own apartment. So I am sure that the next video that you will see on my channel regarding apartment will be when I find my own apartment, because a sister's tired. But enjoy the show, guys. So guys, this next unit, it's a beautiful unit, okay, well presented, painted, nicely. The kitchen beautiful, spacious. It has so many closets. Okay. Um, my friend and I, we sent a request to see this apartment for her because she's also looking for an apartment. When we got there, we were like jumping, like we couldn't believe it, okay? For the price that they were asking for the apartment. So let me know in the comment section below how much you think that they were asking for this apartment. This apartment has so many closets. Did I mention that? So many closets. Okay. Let me know. So let me give you guys a range from 1,800 to 2,000. How much you think? And this closet, this, this closet, it's a walk-in closet. Okay, so big and like deep. Ooh, it was very nice. I regret the apartment for her that she didn't get it. But everything happened for a reason. Um, hey, we don't know. But this apartment was beautiful. It was beautiful, spacious. It was a perfect layout for her and her kids, okay, her family. Guys, we were so surprised. Like, we asked ourselves, are we in New York? Because landlords in New York are so disrespectful and greedy, okay? And they do the bare minimum and they asking you for a leg and for rent. But this apartment was like, wow. But guys, I'm gonna let you watch it for yourself. The stove, the fridge, everything was amazing. I'm gonna let you guys watch it for yourself, okay? And let me know how much you think that they are asking for the apartment. It's off the market now. It is off the market. But let me know how much you think that they were asking for it. And as for the tub, that's an easy fix. You just have to glaze the tub and just do little minor things that the apartment needed. Not really much needed to be done in the apartment. The person who got the apartment, I am so happy for you. Enjoy this apartment, okay? This is it, guys. Make sure you like this video. Let me know which one was your favorite. Like I always say, have a joyful, a peaceful, a wonderful, and a blessed day. I will see you in the next video, and look out for my own apartment tour.